Hello. So today is going to be a very short video because all we're going to do on this stream is fix a bug in the block placement. So let's get right to that. So what the issue is what I did before is I made it so that you would be able to draw with your mouse in the playfield. And the reason is so that we could set up some test scenarios. So when we do get to collisions and rotations. Now before I had it so when you left click, it would place a block wherever you're clicking. And the right click works just fine. So if I right click, it'll get rid of the blocks. But the left click is not working because we want a block to appear. So let's get into that. I could draw with my left mouse button. So let me look where left is. And we set active to true. But we don't set any color. So what we want to do is set the playfield state, row, column, and then the color, and we'll just set it to gray. Because basically the gray will kind of be the default piece, or like a garbage piece to represent this is one we drew. Okay, and I think this is a good example of when we would want hot reloading because I'm making this change here. And what I would ideally like to do is be able to build it and then the change immediately gets reflected in the game without me having to now go over here, close it out, build it, and then go back to here to run it. And now I'm going to test it out. Okay, so now it seems that it is working. And if I make a change, yeah, like I just kind of want the app to stay open without needing to close it and reopen it again. One other thing I think I'm going to do really quick here is when we're drawing the blocks in here, is I think I'm just going to do a -1 here. And this is another place where like I would love to just build this and have it immediately reflect, but instead I got to close out the app, build it again, run it again. Okay, and what I just did was I kind of want the pieces to have the lines completely at the borders of the tetraminos. And I did that for those guys, but I need to do it when this is being drawn as well. And this will probably also be another example of a time where we'll want to pull something out into a function because there are two places where we are drawing blocks. So for one example, we're drawing the active tetraminal blocks. And then in the other example, for the other piece of code, we were drawing the blocks in the playfield itself. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so I am going to cut it short today. And the only reason is because in the next video, I want it to be only focusing on hot reloading so that that video could kind of be independent and passed around as you want if you only want to like see the hot reloading part and keep that isolated.